Everybody, my name is Amandeep Arora. So I'm going to talk about this output type format slide. So if you look into the input type format, you have various types of inputs, text, binary, multiple input, and database input. So parallelly, the same goes for output also, text, binary, multiple, database. One extra thing, lazy. So as the name suggests, text output format is the most common one. Actually, that's the one you will see largely being used in all the examples where it's writing to the text. Binary has a special use case when you're dealing with the binary files, then there are three types of them: sequential file output format, sequential file is binary output format, and then there's a map file output format. As the name suggests, the map file output format writes a map file, with a binary sequence in it, and the sequential file is just a binary sequence, right key value fields in the binary format for the sequential file binary, and the first one is just binary output. The multiple output allows the programmer to write multiple files at the same time. The lazy output, that's the one which gives you a little bit better performance, because then the program waits till the first record is there to write the output. So that's the one. If you want to get some performance improvement, look at the lazy output. And database output is when you are doing your MapReduce program and want to store your output into a database. You can write it into any database. It can be either relational or non-relational, like NoSQL, HBase. Database can also be used. So as I said, as there are inputs, to being given to the MapReduce program, you can take the output and store it in various ways. And these classes give you those capabilities to write your output. The question I have is lazy output. Does anybody think, any example where you can use that? Any guesses? Okay. As I said, it's a performance improver. You are running into you're trying to increase some performance, and you're looking at ways, to trying to get some performance improvement. This would give you a little bit of performance improvement, because it will wait till the first record. The other places, it creates the file up front, and that takes some time. So this one will wait, so that will give you some performance improvement. So purely a performance improver if you're looking for performance improvement. Any questions?
Can you elaborate more on the lazy output?
So what happens is that when you run your MapReduce program, the output file is created even when there is not first record to be written. It creates an output file. So there's an IO operation going on. But with lazy, it will not create the file till it really has the data to write. So let's suppose you run a MapReduce program, there is no data to write. Imagine a scenario. Then you unnecessarily have some empty output files, wasted space and performance. So did I answer your question?
Yes.
You can give the chocolate to him.
Yeah. No.